You don't have to hold it, right? It should stay. So somebody walks across the floor. You just can't really see the snow, you know?
Probably do a slow-mo with my phone.
Oh, I forget I got that.
Oh, you do too?
I think I do. Hey, remember, if we do happen to slide off, we need to be sure and take our camera down because it'll be on there, right?
Yeah. Yep.
See if we happen to slide off.
We'll take that. Well, if it happens, it happens. I don't care how good a driver you are or what vehicle you have. If the ice wants you, the ice gets you. So
Let's try not right now.
Well, I mean,
It's like a bad time.
trying not to.
You said if it was bad, she wasn't gonna go, but she's going. Well, so far, that don't mean she won't turn around and have me
made
make
it
her.
up Center Point yet?
I don't know.
Because they said they
I'm
usually have issues
videoing. I
getting
don't
up that
even.
big hill.
I'm videoing. I don't know.
Oh, I'll shut up then because I try something stupid.
Frozen meal.
Yeah, I don't know what it was.
You're gonna have a bridge. You can't get around it.
That's our boss man as we head on into a brand new hour. Gentlemen Swain here, and folks, our thoughts and prayers go out to all the folks out there in Southern California that are battling those wildfires.
Can't even see it snowing. My goodness, I can't even get where I need to go. Look at the creeks in Ash. You know you like it pretty. Yes. Lots of rain. We had lots of rain. It was bone dry. I'm sure it went up a little bit with the snow, but somebody's been driving around down here because there's a lot of smoothed out places, and I don't know who, but shouldn't be nobody out here. All right, girls, let's go back. My Ranger ain't got much gas, so